This are some damn nice fireflies. Now, where should I start? I know. At the beginning! First of all, I fixed some mistakes I made while pixeling. Then I implemented light and it created some cute fireflies. Holy shit, they're glowing. Added a day-night cycle, and since I can't animate very well, I got a character pack, or license free of course. So now I can start on working on NPCs and enemies soon! I added a minimap for orientation purposes, but I'm not quite sure if I should use a second camera or if I should redo everything in a smaller format. If there are no performance issues, I'll keep using a second camera. I also added a shortened version of the quests, so you don't have always to go to the quest menu. Lastly, I took the code of the quest system and made it more efficient, so that adding quests in the future is easier. The castle of Eduinian is still a work in progress, so I can't show it to you for now. To make up for it, I'm gonna show you the fireflies again. They're still glowing! I can't really talk a lot about the future plans, since I don't really have a strict plan for what the next steps are gonna be, and I don't wanna make promises for something that might not end up in the game. If you're wondering why this devlog didn't release on schedule, I just had nothing I could present to you. So there was a lot more to see in this video. And this was it for the 4th devlog of my nameless game. I would be very happy if you subscribe to the channel to get all updates about my nameless game. Also don't forget to like this video and write a comment which feature should be in the game too. I'll go coding now, you should too. Cheerio.